So we are hanging out in Olympic National Park this weekend. We left Portland last night around 8 or 9 o'clock. Drove about 4.5 hours, found a little rest area and pulled over to sleep for a few hours, and then headed the rest of the way into the forest to try to score a campsite for the weekend. Most of the campsites up here are walk-in, so first come, first serve. Our first run through, we didn't have any luck, so we decided to keep heading out to the coast. So we drove out to La Push Beach. We've been really excited to check out that area, but unfortunately most of the trails out there and the beaches are not dog friendly. So because we have our dog Petey and we take him everywhere we go, if we find a place that's not dog friendly, we typically don't hang out, we just keep going. So it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So we turned around, headed back into the forest, and we scored a campsite. So at that time a bunch of people took off and we lucked out. So Sienna and I have just been hanging out here for a good chunk of the day. We took a little nap in the car because we didn't get a lot of sleep last night, and we're actually waiting for our friends Michael and Jeanie who are driving up from Portland today. Should be here any minute now, and we're gonna hang out tonight and camp out with them, and then tomorrow we're gonna spend the day just kind of hanging out and exploring Olympic National Park a little bit. We haven't really been up here. We've driven around it but haven't really explored the forest, so I'm really excited to kind of see what there is to see and check it out. So yeah, so I'm excited to see how this weekend goes. So right now we're just hanging out down at Crescent Lake. We found a little dirt road and a little pull-off that got us down to the lake. So we set up both the cars, Michael and Jeanie pulled out the canopy, and now we're just kind of sitting lakeside and enjoying the day. So we are wandering around the, is it HOH Rainforest?
Yeah.
Okay, I feel uncomfortable saying it, but we're wandering around the HOH Rainforest up in Olympic National Park. Got up here around 8:30 this morning, and we're headed back to Portland. So making a couple of quick stops on the way back. Check out a couple little areas that we haven't seen. So just doing a quick walk through some parts of this rainforest area and taking some pictures, and then gonna continue on our way.